I would study as though I'm going from the heart and going up or down in my head. So I'm going to go up from my heart. We're going to take this tube here, which is also over here, but you can't see it. That's going to go up my neck, which would be the what?
Carotid.
Common carotid artery. And this model shows very well the split. So right here, this blood vessel keeps going on the outside of my head, so that would be which carotid? It's on
External.
the outside, external. You notice this one branches and goes inside my skull and pops out in my head, in my brain, so that's going to be the internal carotid. So common to internal to external. Then these ones split some more. So here it pops up on my head, kind of like that. So what do you call that side of my head? A superficial temporal.
Hold it. No.
Because it's on the surface of my temples. It also goes, like this side, kind of under my, you don't need a brain, under my jaw, maxillary, and then climbs up my face, so facial. So you're basically doing just naming the body part. So what else is in there? Maxillary, occipital is just shown kind of like this. They don't show it connecting, but that's my occipital, because it's in the back of my head. Then you have to get down again. So if you get down, the only thing you have to remember is it's jugulars, not carotid. So, and these models don't show them very well. You notice there's not a lot of blue, but it does show one here. This would be my jugular vein coming down into my neck. So it doesn't show the other veins up in here, but they would be named the same, pretty much. So then I want to get to my arm. So if we start here, ascending aorta arch. Do you want to go to the right arm or left arm? Pick one. So that means I'm going to go up to my subclavian, which is, you can't see, but it curves under my clavicle. I'm going to turn here, my axillary, and I'm going to go down my arm. I'm going to go down as my brachial. And once I get to my elbow, I'm going to change the names now, because some of it's going to go to my pinky, ulnar, some are going to go to my thumb, radial. So just using the bones you learned before. And coming back, there are none on this model to show you. So they're just the arteries.
The yellow or the red?
Yellows are the nerves. So that's what we learned. Now if I went to the right arm, I'd be one difference. I have my ascending aorta to my arch. But then I have to get to the right side of the body. So I have to do the brachiocephalic. It's a jumper to my common carotid and also my subclavian. So then I'd go ascending arch, brachiocephalic, subclavian, and then do the same route. So if I went to this side, I have no brachiocephalic. If I go to this side, I have a brachiocephalic. So there's a difference there between the right and the left side. This represents where the hanger is your celiac trunk. So this big pipe right here is representing the celiac trunk, which is all this plumbing. I'm going to go to my spleen, to my liver, to my stomach, and vice versa. So that would be all those hepatic, splenic, and mesenteric arteries. But if I keep going, I'm in my abdominal aorta. Now I'm going to go here, which is my common iliacs, to my internal, external iliacs. Then once I branch out, now I'm in my femoral artery. On this model, yeah, they do show it. There's my popliteal. And then it pretty much peters out by the time I get down there with the tibial and fibular. And then there's no veins on this model to show coming back. That's pretty much all you can see with this guy, although he does show the iliacs once you get in the body cavity. He does have the thoracics, which are these ones back here, along your ribs. So this one does show the thoracic and the rib cage. It's the only one that shows behind that.